Me have to big up Oblique Seville for discipline Noah Lyles in the 100-meter final in Tokyo, Japan at the championship. Yeah, man, me love Oblique Seville discipline Noah Lyles, because Noah Lyles the man will love brag and boast too much. Put your money where your mouth, then Noah Lyles. Because me hear you talk a thing in an interview yesterday, you know, about Oblique Seville or Oblique Seville, the back of you. This back up here catch bread. And all them something there. And now Oblique only in the final. And dust you out. Beat you up bad. And another first. And another second time. And it won't be the last. Yes. I mean, I have to big up Kishi and Thompson, you know. Kishi and Thompson, big up yourself. Because you grab a silver in a 2-yard man in the race, you know. And the 2-yard man dominate the race, you know. First and second, you know. Noah Lyles grab third place. Yes, Noah Lyles, you can't hold the third place, man. Hold the third place. Grab the Bronx. The Bronx are for Noah Lyles. But silver and gold are for Jamaica. See, they can't go out with the Bronx. Go out with the Bronx, Noah Lyles. I mean, I have to big up Tina Clayton too, you know. Yeah, man. Big up Tina Clayton. If you grab the silver in the women's 100-meter final. Tina Clayton, big up yourself. Big up Oblique Seville. Big up Kishi and Thompson. Big up Team Jamaica. We're proud of you. Shocking Murray said that.